Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate National Geographic Go step by step clearly. To activate National Geographic Go, begin by ensuring you have a valid subscription to a participating TV provider. Next, download the National Geographic Go app from your device's App Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. You will see a sign in or activate your account option on the home screen. Tap on the Activate Your Account option to proceed. A unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Make a note of this code as you will need it shortly. Now, grab a separate device such as a computer or smartphone. Open a web browser and go to the activation website provided by National Geographic. Once on the website, you will be prompted to enter the activation code. Type in the code exactly as it appears on your screen. Next, select your TV provider from the list provided. You may be redirected to your TV provider's login page. Enter your TV provider credentials to log in. After logging in, confirm your account and allow the necessary permissions. Return to the National Geographic Go app on your device. Your app should now refresh and grant you access to the available content. You can start enjoying National Geographic shows and features immediately. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, check your internet connection. Also, ensure that your subscription is active and your TV provider supports National Geographic Go. With these steps, you should be able to activate your National Geographic Go account effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.